Who will be the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option B. B.R. Gavai. Who has been re-elected as the President of the New Development Bank, NDB? Correct answer is option C. Dilma Rousseff. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B. Masaki Kashiwara. Who has been appointed as the Private Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A. Nidhi Tiwari. Which protected area of Orissa has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Right answer is option C. Simlipal National Park. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B. Anora. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Correct answer is option C. Indonesia. What is India's rank in the medal tally at the ISSF World Cup Buenos Aires 2025? Correct answer is option B. Second rank. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C. Gyanesh Kumar. Asia's vertical lift bridge Pamban Bridge has been inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option D. Tamil Nadu. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Correct answer is option A. Sri Lanka. Who won the women's singles title in the Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C. Madison Keys. Who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option A. Bhuvanesh Kumar. Which country has become the 54th nation to sign the Artemis Accords in April 2025? Correct answer is option C. Bangladesh. How many medals has India won at the Archery World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A. 4 medals. What is the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option C. Gajasimha. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B. Chandrika Tandon. Bart the Weaver has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A. Belgium. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B. Services Sports Control Board. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer option B. Madhya Pradesh. Which country will host the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option C. Brazil. India has decided to discontinue the transshipment facility for which country? Correct answer is option D. Bangladesh. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Correct answer is option D. 96th rank. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C. Mohsin Naqvi. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B. Thailand. Recently, who has been appointed as the next Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR? Correct answer is option A. Dr. Mangi Lal Jatt. Who won the Indian Super League ISL 2024-25 title? Correct answer is option B. Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Udhwa Lake, recently designated as a Ramsar site, is located in which Indian state? Correct answer is option B. Jharkhand. Amalsar Chiku of which state has been granted the GI tag? Correct answer is option D. Gujarat. Daniel Noboa has been re-elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is option C. Ecuador. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Correct answer, option A Tokyo, Japan. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman 2024 in 2025? Correct answer, option C Bhadresh Das Swami. Who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Stability? Correct answer, option A Dalai Lama. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is option B 85th rank. Which state won the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A West Bengal. The Defense Ministry has declared 2025 as the year of. Correct answer is option A Defense Reforms. What will be the fiscal deficit for financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option B 4.4% of GDP. India is set to launch the world's most powerful hydrogen-powered train on which route? Correct answer, option B Jind to Sonipat. Who received the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025 in Hindi category? Correct answer, option D Mridulika Jha. Who has been appointed as the next Revenue Secretary of the Union Finance Ministry? Correct answer is option A Arvind Srivastav. Who has won the title of Indian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C Pankaj Advani. Which has become country's first ATM train? Correct answer is option C Panchvati Express. Who has recently become the chairman of the Bar Council of India? Correct answer is option B Manan Kumar Mishra. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option C New Zealand. Which state has the highest number of vultures according to the recent census? Correct answer is option D Madhya Pradesh. Which airport was named the world's best airport 2025 by Skytrax? Correct answer, option A Changi Airport, Singapore. Zoran Milanovic has been elected as president of which country in January 2025? Correct answer is option A Croatia. Jakub Mensik has won the men's single title at the Miami Open 2025. He belongs to which country? Correct answer is option D Czechia. Who has won the Women's Hockey India League 2024-25? Correct answer is option C Odisha Warriors. Which state has achieved the GI tag for reindeer silk and Khasi handloom products? Correct answer is option C Meghalaya. Who has been appointed as the first brand ambassador from India by French luxury brand Chanel? Correct answer is option B Ananya Pandey. Who won the Best Actor award at the Oscars for his role in The Brutalist? Right answer is option A Adrian Brody. Who won the Best Actress award at the Oscars for her role in Anora? Right answer is option C Mikey Madison. In which country the annual meeting of World Economic Forum 2025 has been organized? Right answer, option C Davos, Switzerland. Who has been appointed as the new Controller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option B K Sanjay Murthy. Who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option A Kirsty Coventry. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option C Ajay Seth. Which state government has launched Maitri 2.0 portal? Correct answer is option C Maharashtra. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Correct answer is option C Mumbai Indians. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Shirley Botchway of which country becomes first African woman to assume office as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations? Correct answer is option C, Ghana. Who has been recently appointed as the Controller General of Defence Accounts? Correct answer is option A, Mayank Sharma. Who won the men's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Who is the chief guest of 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option C, Prabowo Subianto, the President of Indonesia. Kannadipaya, a traditional tribal handicraft, from which Indian state was recently awarded the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for Hindi? Correct answer is option A, Gagan Gill. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Government A Marketplace, GEM, by the Government of India? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Bhadu. Which country has become the second largest exporter of tea in 2024? Correct answer is option B, India. Which men's kabaddi team won the gold medal at the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been elected by the US President Donald Trump as the head of NASA? Correct answer is option A, Jared Isaacman. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Correct answer, option B, 118th. Who has become the first footballer to receive the American Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer, option A, Lionel Messi. Who has been recently appointed as the new governor of RBI? Correct answer is option A, Poonam Gupta. Who has introduced the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option B, Kiran Rijiju. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option C, New Zealand. Which has become the first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? Correct answer is option C, Hungary. Who has released the report, Education and Nutrition, Learn to Eat Well? Correct answer is option C, UNESCO. Who was awarded the A.M. Turing Award 2024 for technical contribution in the field of computing? Correct answer is option D, both B and C. Kangma Bhati National Park of which Indian state has been included in the UNESCO's tentative heritage list? Correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Tulsi Gabbard has been appointed as the National Intelligence Director of which country? Correct answer is option A, United States. Who has taken charge as the Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option A, Vivek Joshi. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Correct answer, option A, Narendra Modi. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Banks Association for the next fiscal year? Right answer is option B, Challa Srinivasulu Setty. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA? Right answer is option C, Shivasubramanian Raman. Who won the Best Picture Award at the International Indian Film Academy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Lapata Ladies. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has been named the recipient of the 59th Jnanpith Award in 2025 for his outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who has been appointed as the director of FBI? Correct answer is option C, Kash Patel. Which country ranks first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Burkina Faso. Jajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary will be developed as a leopard safari in which state? Right answer is option B, Punjab. Which operation has India launched to help earthquake hit Myanmar? Correct answer is option C, Operation Brahma. Who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, R.K. Sriram Kumar. Who won Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for his pioneering research on flood risks? Correct answer is option B, Gunter Bloch. Saudagari block print of which state has recently received the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Michael Martin has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country in 2025? Right answer is option B, Ireland. Which mission brought NASA scientists Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore back to Earth from the International Space Station (ISS)? Correct answer is option A, Crew 10 mission. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Intel in March 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lip Bo Tan. Who has topped the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 medal tally? Correct answer is option B, Indian Army. The joint military exercise, Harimu Shakti, is conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option A, Glasgow, Scotland. Which team recently won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating Kerala? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. The Global Astrometric Interferometer for Astrophysics, Gaia, was launched by which space organization? Correct answer, option D, ESA, European Space Agency. Who has been appointed as a member of the Advisory Council of the Managing Director of IMF? Correct answer is option C, N. Chandrasekaran. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court? Correct answer is option B, Arun Palli. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Wildlife Sanctuary will be set up in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Sagar district. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? Correct answer is option A, Mirabai Chanu. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Right answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Where has the 15th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting been organized in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Brasilia, Brazil. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, BCAS? Right answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. The Kumbakonam beetle leaf and Thovalai flower garland from which state recently received a GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Which will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy? Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been awarded the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Who will become the first Indian to go to the International Space Station in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shubhanshu Shukla. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A, Gunri Inland Mangroves. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Correct answer, option D, India. Which city will host the 5th Asian Youth Para Games in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Alexander Lukashenko has won the presidential election of which country? Correct answer is option A, Belarus. Who won the Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year award at Laureus World Sports Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Amor Duplantis and Simone Biles. D. Nageshwar Reddy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option C, medicine. Who is the author of the book, The World After Gaza? Correct answer is option A, Pankaj Mishra. PM Mitra scheme was implemented by which ministry? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Textiles. Silkyara Tunnel, which will be known as Baba Boknak Tunnel, is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Where is India's first quantum computing village has been established? Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Which country has become the 119th member of the International Solar Alliance? Correct answer, option B, Malta. Which national park recently emerged as India's second butterfly diversity hub? Correct answer, option A, Kaziranga National Park. Which city has become home to India's first night safari? Correct answer, option B, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer, option C, Liu Jiakun. Friedrich Merz has become the Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is option B, Germany. How many medals India won in the World Boxing Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, 6 medals. Where has the third edition of the joint military exercise between India and Egypt, Cyclone 2025, held recently? Correct answer, option B, Rajasthan. Which country will host the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2031? Correct answer is option A, the United States. Who was sworn in as the Federal Chancellor of Austria in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Christian Stocker. The 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Indra 2025 recently took place between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Which state tops the Niti Aayog's first fiscal health index 2025? Correct answer, option C, Odisha. Tashego Gailai has become the first black woman to be crowned Mrs. World in 2025. She belongs to which country? Correct answer is option C, South Africa. Recently, Chapata chili of which state has got the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Who won the Tata Steel Masters 2025 title at Netherlands in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, R. Praganananda. How many tiger reserves are there in India as of March 2025? Correct answer is option D, 59. Jotham Napat has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vanuatu. Which state will have the Makhana Board established under Budget 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Who has been recently appointed as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Which country has topped the medal tally of 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Which country was formally accepted as the 10th member state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Correct answer is option C, Belarus. Which country has withdrawn from the United Nations Human Rights Council after US? Correct answer is option C, Israel. Who has been appointed as the new chief of BrahMos Aerospace? Correct answer is option A, Jyotirth Raghavendra Joshi. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which country has announced the withdrawal from the World Health Organization, following the United States? Correct answer is option B, Argentina. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Which Indian cities were recently included in the list of wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Correct answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. The Indian Astronomical Union has officially recognized how many new satellites of Saturn? Correct answer is option B, 128. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, The Brutalist. Pad and Chal beaches of which Indian state have received the prestigious Blue Flag certification? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Correct answer is option C, India. Where has the world's largest wildlife rescue center Vantara been inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT? Right answer is option B, Ravi Agrawal. Recently, which country won the Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship 2025 title? Correct answer is option C, India. Who became the first ever woman union law secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Who won the Best Men's Hockey Player of the Year award at the Hockey India Annual Awards 2024? Right answer is option A, Harmanpreet Singh. Recently, Yamandu Aussie became new president of which South American country? Correct answer is option B, Uruguay. Who won the FIDE World Junior Chess Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pranav Venkatesh. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Right answer is option B, 7. Which state has the highest number of river dolphins in India? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation? Correct answer is option A, Manoj Kumar Dubey. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Food Corporation of India, FCI? Correct answer is option C, Ashutosh Agnihotri. Which city was the host of the Pravasi Bhartiya Divas Convention 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bhubaneswar. Which country was the host of Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, France. How many new sites have been added to Ramsar sites in India recently? Correct answer is option B, 4. Who has been appointed as the new DGCA? Right answer is option C, Faiz Ahmad Kidwai. Where was the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Harbin, China. Where will the 2025 World Para Athletics Championship be held? Correct answer option A, India. Who has been recently appointed as the second principal secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. Which of the following players were awarded Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2025? Correct answer is option E, all of the above. Who became the first Indian to win the gold medal at the World Boxing Cup Brazil 2025? Correct answer is option B, Hitesh Gulia. Justice Harish Tandon has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of which state's High Court? Correct answer is option B, Orissa High Court. Which country assumed the chairmanship of BIMSTEC for 2025 to 27? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. S. Ramakrishnan Thermal Research Center was recently inaugurated at? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. What percentage of tariff has US imposed on the Indian goods? Correct answer is option D, 26%. Which team won the Men's Hockey India League 2024-25? Right answer is option B, Shrachi Rahar Bengal Tigers. Which of the following countries will host the FIFA World Cup in 2026? Right answer option B, USA, Canada and Mexico. Which country has emerged as the world's largest importer of arms according to the latest SIPRI report 2020-24? Correct answer is option C, Ukraine. Who has won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Who was honored with the Pauli Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Which country has recently joined OPEC+? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. Who won the gold medal in Syed Modi International Badminton Championship? Correct answer is option B, PV Sindhu. Who has won the World Press Photo of the Year 2025 award? Correct answer is option C, Samar Abu Elif. Who has been re-elected as the chairperson of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee? Correct answer is option C, Saurav Ganguly. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Tata Communications in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Who topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. Netumbo Nandi Andetwa has been sworn in as the first female president of which country? Right answer is option C, Namibia. Who has been elected as the 11th president of Asian Development Bank? Correct answer is option A, Masato Kanda. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of the Industrial Finance Corporation of India? Correct answer is option C, Rahul Bhave. The joint military exercise Khanjar was conducted between India with which country? Right answer is option B, Kyrgyzstan. Duro Mukut has become the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Serbia. Who won the World Chess Championship 2024? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.